In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an affiliate in Gumroad. If you want someone to help promote your products and earn a commission for each sale they generate, Gumroad makes that process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go, what to enter, and what each setting means, so you can set up your affiliate correctly the first time. To begin, log into your Gumroad dashboard and look over to the left-hand menu. From there, click on Affiliates. This is the section where you manage the people who will promote your products using affiliate links. Once you're on the affiliates page, click on Add Affiliate. This opens the setup screen where you'll enter the details for the new affiliate and define how they'll be connected to your products. The first thing you'll need to enter is the affiliate's email address. Make sure you type in the correct address, since this is how Gumroad identifies the affiliate you're adding. It's always a good idea to double check for any typing mistakes before moving on. Next, you'll see an option to toggle all products on or off. This setting controls whether the affiliate should be able to promote everything you sell or whether you want to apply more limited settings. If you want this affiliate to have access across your full catalog, turn it on. If not, leave it off and use the settings that fit your plan. After that, set the commission percentage. This is the percentage of each qualifying sale that the affiliate will earn. Be thoughtful here, because this number affects both your incentive for the affiliate and your own profit margin. A competitive commission can encourage stronger promotion, but it should still make sense for your business. Then, enter the destination URL. This is the link you want traffic to go to when the affiliate shares your product. In most cases, this should be the product page or the most relevant landing page for the offer. Make sure the URL is accurate so potential buyers land in the right place without confusion. Once everything looks good, click Add Affiliate. That completes the setup, and your new affiliate will be added to your Gumroad affiliate program. Before you finish, take a quick moment to review all the information you entered, especially the email address, commission percentage, and destination URL. Small errors in these fields can cause issues later, so a final check is always worth it. And that's it. You've successfully added an affiliate in Gumroad.